Okay, like I said, we're going to go over number 5 and number 6. These are the ones that, as I was going through the classes, the most questions were on these two problems. So, when you're given a problem like this, you're looking for one that's already solved. Which one do they give you already solved? The y, right? They give you the y solved. So what you do is you put parentheses around what it gives you. Okay? And then you're going to take that, since they give you y, you're going to substitute that in for the y in the other equation. When you go to write the other equation, you have x minus 4, then the parentheses negative x plus 5 equals 10. Right? Like I said, you're following along. Make sure you did this correctly. Okay. Then I need to distribute. So the x is just going to come down. What's negative 4 times negative x?
Negative 4x.
Negative times negative is a positive 4x. Then negative 4 times 5 is? Negative 20 equals 10. Now what? Combine like terms. I can combine these two right here. 4x and x make 5x. So I have 5x minus 20 equals 10. Yep, then you're going to add 20 to both sides. So 5x, let me scroll down here. Oops. That didn't work very well. Whoops. Okay, so 5x equals 30, and then what?
Equals 6.
What do I do to get 6? Divide by 5. So x equals 6. Now I'm not entirely done, right? What do I need to do now?
You need to make it so 6 negative 1.
So I need to plug that in, right? So this 6, I can plug it into either one of the equations. I'm going to plug it in. Let me kind of move up so you guys can see this. So I'm going to plug this in, this 6, into right here. So what you have is y equals negative, then the 6, plus 5. Negative 6 plus 5 is?
Negative 4. No, negative 1.
Wrong way. Negative 1. So now I have x and y. Again, you're still not entirely done. Remember that your answer goes in the form of an ordered pair. So what is your answer?
6 negative 1.
Yep, x first always, and then y. And there is your answer.
6 from the number that you plugged in.
From down below, yeah.
So
So you get the 6 here. Okay, the 6 here. And then that gets plugged in to the x up here. So that's where it is right here.
So these questions,
And so the minus sign is there, then the x plus 5. Number 6.
Oh, that one confused me.
Number 6 is another one that I got the most questions on. Right? Number 6. What do we do, Mr. G? Both of the equations are solved for itself. Now, in a real situation, if this were on a test, if you saw both of them already solved for themselves, you would easily and simply just graph both of the lines, and then wherever they cross, that would be your solution. But since we're practicing substitution, you can use substitution as well. Since they're both solved, you can choose either one to plug in. I'm just going to use the first one and put parentheses. Since this is solved for y, I can take this and I can plug it into the other y. So what I have is negative 2x plus 1 equals x minus 5. All I did was take this here and plug it in to the other y. Then you just solve. I need to get the x's to the same side and the numbers to the other side.
Add 2x.
Okay, so we're going to move the x's to the right, so I'm going to add 2x over here. So I have 1 equals x and 2x make 3x minus 5. Now I'm still solving for x, so now what?
Divide by 3.
Not yet.
Oh, add 5.
Add 5. Then it'll cancel. And so I have 6 equals 3x. Now you divide by 3. So x equals 2. So I have x. Now that you know what x is, okay, what do you do?
Plug it in.
Plug it in.
Plug it in. Which one do you want to plug it into, the first or second? Second one looks easier. So I'm going to plug this in right here. So I have y equals 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5?
Negative 3.
-3. Now I have both the x and the y.
Negative, or 2, negative 3.
Yep, put it in an ordered pair. 2x comes first, then the y, and you're done. Okay?